The title of my paper is Implementation of E-Learning and Teachers' Effective Professional Commitment to Improve Learning Achievement of High School Students in South Papua. First, introduction. There are many factors that support the implementation of e-learning in order to reap satisfactory results. One factor that determines the success of e-learning implementation is teacher. A professional teacher is required to utilize information technology in the learning process in order to obtain optimal results. Prianto, 2008. Since 2017, an internet connection has been installed in 25 points of remote areas in Papua and West Papua provinces. Of the 25 schools in 25 points, only 16 schools use existing equipment but not optimally. The research of Kusnandar addresses several obstacles of online learning implementation in remote areas of Papua, such as communication media is limited, e-learning has not become a learning culture for some people, the management of e-learning is quite complicated, and some obstacles that make e-learning cannot be used as an alternative solution to help students by shortening the distance and also time in the learning process so that their knowledge increases and it will have an impact on learning achievement. Their knowledge becomes very limited and their learning achievement certainly does not increase significantly because achievement is very closely related to the material received from teachers and absorbed by students. Therefore, the formulation of the problem investigated in this study is whether the obstacles in implementing e-learning in remote areas of southern Papua are predominantly influenced by the teacher's effective professional commitment and subsequently have an impact on student achievement. The second, research method. This study used primary data obtained through a questionnaire distributed to high school teachers. Samples were taken from 60 of the 150 teachers working in the remote areas of southern Papua, which are part of Merauke, Bovendigul, and Mapi district. The method used in this study was an explanatory method which aims to explain the effect of one variable with another variable. Variable measurement used a Likert scale of 1 to 4. With score of disagree, score 1, to highly agree, score 4. Hypothesis testing used structural equation modeling, SEM analysis as a tool to test the influence of variables. The third, results and discussion. The structural model testing shows that the most dominant factor of a learning implementation variable in influencing student achievement is the environmental factor. The most dominant factor of a teacher effective commitment variable influencing student achievement is commitment to the profession, and the most dominant factor of learning achievement, which is influenced by the e-learning implementation variable and teachers' effective professional commitment, is the cognitive aspect. The result of e-learning effects on students' achievement are lower than when compared to the influence of the teachers' effective professional commitment. This is caused by several obstacles, which are the geographical condition of South Papua with a high level of difficulty, the limitation of communication media, and the scope of communication media use. These findings support the result of Kusnandar research regarding several obstacles in implementing online learning in the remote areas of Papua. This condition affects the students' knowledge and their learning achievement. Although the effect of e-learning on student achievement is lower when compared to the teachers' effective professional commitment, it shows significant results. This supports the research results of Roma, Ibrahim and Suardirman, Tomo and Widodo. The fourth conclusion. The finding of this study conclude that the three hypotheses were pro-significant. The highest percentage of variables that directly influence student achievement is the teacher's effective professional commitment. These findings indicate that effective professional commitment plays an important role in improving students' learning achievement. The effect of e-learning implementation variables on students' learning achievement is lower than the teacher's effective professional commitment. This is caused by several obstacles, namely the geographical condition of South Papua with a high level of difficulty, the limitation of communication media, the attitudes and responses of teachers and students towards the use of e-learning, the economic condition of the family, the scope of the communication media use, and the complexity of management learning. And the last, references. Khalifa, E.M. Yumi, Ibrahim, De Septumarsa, Kusnandar, Priyanto, Roma, and Sugiono.